Hello. Today it is a beautiful day outside, so we're making some sort of iced coffee situation with a twist. I'm trying that internet sensation that is whipped coffee. If you don't know what that is, or you haven't heard of it, or you haven't seen it, you probably don't have TikTok. I don't have TikTok either, but I've seen it on like other places. Okay, so first things first, you need boiling water. So I'm gonna take my electric kettle and I'm gonna get some water boiling in it. Oh, got some in my eye. Okay, oh, it's just gonna stay there, I guess. All right, well, while that's boiling, I'm gonna get together the other stuff that I need. I need this bowl thing, some instant coffee, and some sugar. I'm also gonna need either a whisk or an electric like hand mixer. I don't have a regular whisk, which is fine because quite frankly, I don't have the patience to whisk this by hand anyhow. So I'm gonna get my electric hand mixer. That took me a while. I did not know where that was. It kind of looks like it's equal parts water, sugar, and instant coffee. Oh. That's still clean. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of everything. And now, I'm gonna whip it good. That's pretty neat. It's like weirdly thick. Next, I've added a couple ice cubes and about like a cup of almond milk to this jar. I don't always drink my coffee out of an old Alfredo sauce jar, but I don't have any clear glasses and I wanted to show you what it looks like, so. If you're considering just eating that as is, I don't know why you would, but if you are, don't. I got some on my finger and I licked it and it was yucky. This is what it looks like before you stir it up. It just kind of sits on top there. Interesting. I'm gonna give it a stir. Bad. Yeah. I don't know if I really see why everyone's freaking out about it, but it's like, it's drinkable, like it's good. I would make that again. But yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that if you want. I'm not gonna force you. I'm no beggar. But yeah, all right. Cool. All right. Good to see you. Have a great whenever you're having. Bye.